make the reusable cotton rounds, I'm going to be using this old pillowcase. It's 100% cotton. And to make the rounds, I'm going to trace this candle lid with a pencil. Once my circles are done, I'm just going over with the pencil again so I can actually see the circles when I'm sewing them. Firm cotton rounds, I decided to use 4 layers of this fabric to make one round, making it cushiony. I don't even know if that's a word, but yeah, I just wanted it to be extra soft for my face. Now that I see my rounds all cut out, I have to say that they look like some tortillas. Yep, they sure look like tortillas. Now that our tortillas are ready to go, I'm gonna sew them right up. It's like, no, I'm kidding. I'm gonna go around the cotton rounds, and don't trip if you can't keep it on the edge, because I can't. Look at this. I can't keep it on the edge. Careful, make sure you don't cut the stitch you just made, or else the whole thing is gonna come apart. So I'm just gonna trim around it, and we are done. And just like that, you have just made your own reusable cotton rounds. I also made these face drying towels. That's what I'm gonna call them. It's the same process. You just cut up a square, you just sew all the edges, and you have your little towel. I used to have these disposable ones that would last me for like 2-3 days, but either way they would end up in the trash. So I decided to make my own reusable face cloth towel, or whatever you want to call it. Well, that is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like.